All right, guys, so check out this background. The timing of the Greek guy, are you there? He's like, oh, do you have my camera? Oh my God. He's my. We're getting the timing off because he doesn't know a system yet for when we go live because it's like this OBS and then everything. It's like kind of mismatched, but here we go. Let's talk about vitamin D really quick before I go into if keto is dangerous or not, which I've explained this a bazillion times, but you guys need to hear it again. Now, vitamin D3 is very important, but you can't do it alone. You've got to do vitamin D3 and D from the foods that you eat together. So the time that you're going to go out in the day is between 11 and 2 p.m. Now, they tell you to have big parts of your skin showing, but we don't live like that. Okay, we're not hunter-gatherers anymore. So I'm happy if you have your arms showing, part of your neck, your legs. For people who are afraid of wrinklage, go in shorts and sit outside, cover everything else, and allow your legs to get sun in those hours. Now, if you live in cold climates, sit by the window. If you have a window near your office, sit by it, open the curtains, because you're still going to get a little bit of vitamin D3, not a lot, but a little. Now, a solution for those who live in winter areas, which I don't, because clearly I live like this, is by getting a vitamin D3 lamp, right? These lamps are amazing. Now, they can range from $200 to $5,000. Now, the ones that are $5,000, excuse me, they are the length of a human body, and they're on the wall, and you stand forward and you stand back and you get the front and you get the back, and you do it 15 minutes, and it really does bring up your vitamin D levels. You guys know that I'm not, now you could do the krill oil, right? You can do the krill or you can do the cod, but you're also dealing with seafood and the quality and toxins in the ocean. So some butter, if you don't have a protein allergy to the whey or casein, or the eggs, if you don't have an egg allergy, those are really good sources of vitamin D. Plus brain, you can get Ancestral. There's Ancestral. The discount code is Steph Keto. I don't have any affiliate programs except Ancestral because y'all know that they are the freaking bomb. Period. No one has like argued that. Like you can't get better glandulars from head to toe, and I don't mean just nose to tail. Does it say head to toe? Well, head to tail, unless your balls hang a lot lower than your tail. What do you think? Because they do testicles too for men for the testosterone issues. Hey, Greek guy. He's so slow today. He's eating.
Yeah.
Do you think your balls swing lower than your...
Actually, I'm eating. So
is that cheese?
I got avocado. No, this is butter.
Good. You know, we have like 4 more videos to do before my interview. I was asking if your balls hang lower than your tailbone.
Yeah.
Okay, so they do.
Sure.
They do head to balls, not just nose to tail. So get on that. So you want to be outside between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eller klockan 14 for those who live in Sweden or Scandinavian. Now, what else did I want to say? I think that's it. This is really good and really important for the thyroid. And a lot of you guys have guys and women and men have low T3, or your thyroid stimulating hormone is too high. You're dealing with Hashis or hyper or hypo. You need to get on the brain or the sun lamps. Like, don't mess with your vitamin D, it'll frack you up. Next video, time to go. Does keto cause damage over time? And we're out. Look at that lovely sun, right? Oh yeah. To book a consultation, go to stephanieperson.com. You can also go to Stephanie Ketogenic for, so here we go. stephanieperson.com. He knows I hate these fonts, but that's okay. It's like kind of 80s, right? But anyway, he's getting pissed. So we've got stephanieperson.com. My Instagram is Stephanie Ketogenic, which that black on white, that's hard to read. We just need to do solid white breath. And then, or very, very slight shadow. And then we've got Stephanie the Business Person for my Facebook fan page. That's free content. So is my Instagram. Or I also have a keto, omnivore, carnivore, and low carb, high fat keto course for people who have a difficulty to keto adapt or their family won't get on to being ketotic, and yeah, and I do consultations. So there you go. And I'm out. Next video. Peace.